Now it's just you and me.
Yeah, and pretty soon it'll just be me. After I drink my evil potion, you'll be done.
Oh no! If he gets any more powerful, how will we stop him?
Down here.
What the? Hey, let go of me, you sap!
No, I'll never let go. You mean too much to me. You are the light of my life.
I thought I was.
Baron Huge Hat. Oh, light of my life. Oh.
I got your light right here.
Oh, you found it.
You fool! Give me that back!
Don Patch is cool, too. With this, we can be as powerful as he is. Then let's do it, guys. We're gonna become old ladies, too. Transformation! I am the Brute Fruit.
I'm Debonair Pear.
I'm Pizza Guy. And together we're the Gastronomy Trinity.
Great, but what in the world does that mean? I should transform too!
Hey, Dengaku, don't change into the bad guy.
Get ready to lose because you can't withstand the power of Mother Nature.
Mother Nature?
The scorching heat of the sun.
The life force of the planet.
A coupon for one free drink.
Mother Nature gives coupons?
Mother Nature grant us your powers, but keep the humidity low so our hair doesn't get frizzy.
You got it.
That's the best she can do. Super duper super fist of the nose hair. The wrath of Mother Nature.
Wow, I never knew Mother Nature was into heavy metal!
They're too strong.